Okay, so now that we have our hole established at the top, there are many methods for clean finishing, but we are going to use the pin and sew method. Basically, I'm going to take the raw top edge, fold it towards the inside, 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to fold it again over itself, another 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm going to pin at the base of the fold we just made. I'll use this method to go around the top circumference. This is what it looks like. Now I'm going to sew at 1/4 inch around the top where I place my pins, removing them as I go.
Yeah.
Okay, so we are nearing the end, or where we began. You'll see me pull this thread. I'll move that out the way and just overlap those stitches. I'd say about 7 or 8 stitches in. You snip, snip, and we are done.